all over America, I see empty factories. The dashed hopes and dreams of working people all over this country. When I look around and I see this empty factory here, I see the legacy of George Bush's economic policies. You can look down this hallway and you can hear the echoes. You can hear the echoes of the people that once worked here. They were good citizens, they fought our wars, and they paid their taxes. And they worked in these plants to make our country better. And what I hear when I hear those echoes is a challenge to us to not forget what made this country the great, wonderful America we are. People at work. And what they're saying to us, don't forget, don't give up, build it again. We can do it.
Paid for by Americans for Harkin.